Hello everyone, I am Usha Subramaniam. Welcome to my grammar classes. Today I am going to teach you about the degrees of adjectives. In the previous class we have learnt what are adjectives. Adjectives are nothing but describing the noun. And what are degrees of adjective or degree of comparison? Adjective of quality of a noun or pronoun is compared. I will tell you how. Now we know what are adjectives of quality. In case if you have forgotten, you can see the characteristic of a noun like good, bad, sad, happy, bright, shiny. All are the characteristics of noun, or some other qualities like shape, size, color of the noun are compared with other nouns, and this is called as degree of adjective. When we compare the quality of noun, they should have some common qualities which can be compared. Like we cannot compare an elephant with an ant. Likewise, we cannot compare living being with a non-living being unless they have a common quality in them. I have given you some trees pictures here. They are all compared by their heights or their size, we can say. See, first tree is shorter than the second tree, and second tree is shorter than the third tree. It goes like that, and you can say the tree number 4 is taller than or bigger than any other trees in this group. Likewise, we can compare the colors also. I have given 5 boxes. In box number 1, the dark shade of brown is shown. In the box number 2, lighter shade of brown. And in box number 3, still lighter shade of brown. Likewise, if you go to box number 5, it is the lightest shade of brown is given, and this is the way we compare the colors. Now we'll learn the types of degrees of adjective. There are 3 types of degrees of adjectives. They are positive, comparative and superlative. And we'll see what are they. A positive adjective is used to describe a noun or pronoun. With positive adjective, no comparison of the quality between 2 or more nouns is done, or it is simply describing a noun or pronoun. For example, thin girl, cheap price, difficult question, etc. This is white rose, long hair, mighty lion, lazy boy. Comparative adjective indicates the comparison between the quality of 2 or more nouns or pronouns. Like there are thin girls. We can compare those girls and find out one girl as thinner than other girls. The price is cheaper than others, and more difficult question. 2 elephants are there. One elephant is big. The other one is bigger than the first elephant. Now here we are seeing the position of a plant and a tree from the house. We can see this tree is closer to the house than the flower plant, or we can say this flower plant is farther than the tree from the house. There are 2 pencils. Pencil A is shorter than the pencil B, or we can say pencil B is longer than the pencil A. We'll see what are superlative adjectives. They indicate comparison of one noun or pronoun with more than 2 nouns or pronouns by the quality. It is a group. In that group, we compare the particular quality of a noun and we say that particular quality is highest in a particular noun. Now, so many children are running in a running race, but only one will come as the first. Likewise, in this group also, we choose one as the highest grade of the quality. The thinnest girl in the class, the cheapest price of the season, the most difficult of all the questions. Some pictures I have given. You can see there are 3 houses. Now this A house is smaller than the B house and B house is smaller than the C house and C house is the biggest house and A house is the smallest house. Of all the 3 lamps, this is the smallest lamp. Then of all the 3 positions, position A, B and C, B is in the topmost position or highest position. Before I continue with the present lesson, I want to teach you about the syllables. Now, what are syllables? You take any word, for example, school. In this school, we have the consonant sounds, sk plus oo. We don't say 2 vowels are used here. Instead, we say the vowel sound oo is used plus l. This will become school. How many vowel sounds are there here? Only 1. So this is a single syllable or monosyllabic word. We determine the syllables by the use of number of vowels in a word. Social. S plus O plus sh plus ya plus l. There are 2 vowels here. So this is a double syllable or bisyllable word. Practical. In this, pr plus a plus t plus e plus k plus a plus l. There are 3 vowel sounds are used here. This is a triple syllable or trisyllable word. Next one is publication. V, a, bl, e, k, a, sh, n. So here we use 4 vowel sounds and this is a quadruple syllable, quadrisyllable or as a whole polysyllable words or polysyllabic words. In standard, 2 syllables are there. In the word difference, 1, 2, 3 syllables are there. In apartment, 1, 2, 3. Once again, 3 syllables are there. In psychological, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 syllables are there. Then in English, 1, 2. 2 syllables are there. This is required for you to understand the degrees of adjective. Let's see how adjective of quality form its degrees. By adding er or est at the final position of monosyllables positive degree words. See, these are positive degree words. You can pronounce them long, only 1 syllable. Here, strong, 1 syllable. Tall, o, a, I, e, e. These are all monosyllable words and they are in the positive degree. We can add er to make them comparative degree and convert them into superlative by adding est to the positive degree words. Like this. Long, longer, longest. Strong, stronger, strongest. Tall, taller, tallest. Fair, fairer, fairest. Small, smaller, smallest. Dark, darker, darkest. Bright, brighter, brightest. Deep, deeper, deepest. Quick, quicker, quickest. By replacing final y of the positive degree with IER and IEST like this. Positive degree words are busy, cozy, heavy, lazy, naughty, dry, happy, lengthy. In this you can see they are ending with the letter Y. We can remove this Y and add IER to form comparative degree and remove Y and add IEST to form superlative degree like this. Busy, busier, busiest. Cozy, cozier, coziest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Lazy, lazier, laziest. Naughty, naughtier, naughtiest. Dry, drier, driest. Happy, happier, happiest. Lengthy, lengthier, lengthiest. By doubling the last consonant of the monosyllabic positive degree, that has a letter with short vowel before it. Then adding ER and EST. Now take this word thin. When we pronounce thin, we use the short vowel I here. It is not thin, it is thin. When we change it into comparative, we have to double the last consonant and add ER, or when we change it into superlative, add EST to it. See, thin becomes thinner. We have to double N and add ER. We have to double N and add EST to make it superlative. Big, bigger, biggest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Red, redder, reddest. Sad, sadder, saddest. Top, topper, toppest. Here, toppest is not used in modern English. We use topmost or uppermost instead of toppest. But for you to understand the criteria, I have used this word. This is not a wrong word, but this is not generally used. Hot, hotter, hottest. Mad, madder, maddest. Slim, slimmer, slimmest. By adding more and most before the polysyllabic positive degree. We have to add more to polysyllabic positive degree words to make it comparative, and add most to the polysyllabic positive degree word to make it superlative, like this. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Dangerous, more dangerous, most dangerous. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Careless, more careless, most careless. Handsome, more handsome, most handsome. Useful, more useful, most useful. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Comfortable, more comfortable, most comfortable. Curious, more curious, most curious. Some adjectives have their comparative and superlative degrees completely different from their positive degree. In the previous page, we have seen the comparative and superlative degree forms of the positive form degree words will be same with some extra letters added to them. But here there are some words, comparative and superlative degrees are completely different from their positive degree forms, like this. Positive degree, comparative and superlative. In positive we say good. We don't say gooder or goodest. We say comparative degree better and superlative best. Bad, badder, baddest we don't say. Positive is bad, comparative is worse and superlative is worst. Well, better, best. Little, less, least. Much, more, most. Now I will show you how to use positive, comparative and superlative degree adjectives in sentences. Positive degree. You are as tall as your brother. Then she is dark by birth, her color. My brother is naughty, his character. Tushar is not so polite as Shankar. The weather today is not as cloudy as yesterday. My baby sister has curly hairs. Suman's drawing is not as beautiful as Vinuta's. We are comparing the nouns by their qualities. Her hair is smoother than silk. Now, where is hair and where is silk? But they are compared for the smoothness. A tiger is stronger than cheetah. Cheetah is different, tiger is different. But they are compared for their strength. Pen is mightier than sword. This building is more magnificent than that building. We have less number of students today than yesterday. I learnt fewer lessons today than that of yesterday. My mother has better ideas about recipes. See, than is used when we compare the qualities of two nouns. Now, usage of superlative degree in a sentence. He is the tallest boy in his class. We have to use the article the before using the superlative degree of adjective. A tiger is the strongest of all the predators. Pen is the mightiest in comparison with a sword. Among two buildings, this is the most magnificent one. We have the least number of students today. The questions from the fewest lessons I learnt have not appeared in the exams. Once again, we don't use than here when we write the superlative degree form of adjective in a sentence. Instead, we use the highest degree of adjective with the preceding the adjective. The tallest, the strongest, the mightiest, the most, the least, and the fewest. Her health is in the best condition. Changing of a positive degree sentence to a comparative degree sentence, it can be done like this. Now, positive degree sentence. Your sister is smart. Change it. Your sister is smarter than you. Mount Everest is as high as any other peaks. Mount Everest is higher than any other peaks. See here, I am using than. Vinay is not as confident as Vijay. Vijay is more confident than Vinay, or you can say Vinay is less confident than Vijay. I am her elder sister. I am elder to her. Elder and superior are two special cases where we don't use than after the comparative degree. Instead, we use to. Among the two, this brand is superior. This brand is superior to that brand. Sanskrit is an old language. Sanskrit is older than other languages. I have little food and water left for the day. Here little is of positive degree. I have less food and water left for the day. I had good experience. I had a better experience. Now changing of positive degree sentences to superlative degree sentence. Your sister is smart. Your sister is the smartest. Mount Everest is as high as any other peaks. Mount Everest is the highest among other peaks. Vinay is not as confident as Vijay. Vijay is the most confident person, or you can say Vinay is the least confident person. I am an old sister of hers. I am the oldest of us. Among the two, this brand is superior. Among the two, this brand is the most superior. Sanskrit is an old language. Sanskrit is the oldest of other languages. I have little food and water left for the day. I have the least food and water left for the day. Here least is the superlative form of adjective. I had good experience. I had the best experience. Changing of a comparative degree sentence to superlative degree sentence. Cobra is more dangerous than python. Between cobra and python, cobra is the most dangerous. Earning makes you richer than your friends. Earning makes you the richest amongst your friends. Her handwriting is worse than any other student's handwriting in the class. Her handwriting is the worst in her class. The aeroplane is higher than the birds. The aeroplane is the highest of all the birds. Sugarcane is taller than any grasses. Comparative. Sugarcane is the tallest of all the grasses. This is superlative form. Elephant is heavier than other animals on the earth. Elephant is the heaviest among other animals on the earth. See, you may feel it difficult when you see the formation or transformation of one degree to another. But as you practice, you will get to know about this thoroughly. And this is the end of the session. Thank you for attending the class till the end. Thank you all. Have a good day.